Imagine a serene morning in the remote Siberian wilderness. The air is crisp, the forest is still, and the first light of dawn begins to paint the sky with hues of orange and pink. A tranquil scene, seemingly untouched by time. June 30th, 1908, the year of the Tunguska event, a day that would forever change the course of history in this remote part of the world. A day that would be remembered for its sheer, unexplainable power. The sky blazed with an unusual light. It was as if the heavens themselves had opened up, casting an eerie glow over the vast Siberian landscape. Witnesses described it as a fireball, brighter than the sun. Then, a deafening roar shattered the tranquility, a blinding flash that could be seen for miles around. The explosion was so intense, it was likened to the wrath of the gods, a shockwave that knocked people off their feet hundreds of miles away. The force of the explosion was so immense that it was felt across continents. Windows shattered, and buildings trembled as far away as Europe. This was no ordinary summer day. It was a day that defied explanation and left the world in awe. A day that would spark countless theories and debates. The Tunguska event remains one of the most powerful explosions in recorded history. Its magnitude was unprecedented, leaving scientists baffled. The energy released was estimated to be 1,000 times greater than the Hiroshima bomb. Its energy dwarfed even the atomic bombs of the 20th century. The sheer power released was beyond comprehension. It was as if a piece of the sun had fallen to Earth. Yet, its cause remains a captivating mystery. Was it a comet, an asteroid, or something else entirely? Theories abound, but answers remain elusive. Some even speculate about alien intervention. The epicenter, near the Podkamennaya Tunguska River in Siberia, a remote and desolate location that became the focus of intense scientific scrutiny. Expeditions were launched, but the answers remained just out of reach. Millions of trees, flattened like matchsticks over an area twice the size of New York City. The devastation was unimaginable, a testament to the event's sheer power. The landscape was forever altered, a scar on the face of the Earth. The Tunguska event left an indelible mark on our planet. Its impact was felt not just in Siberia, but around the world. It was a wake-up call to the fragility of our existence. It also left an enduring mystery that continues to fascinate scientists and the public alike. Over a century later, the Tunguska event remains one of the greatest unsolved puzzles in history, a reminder of nature's unpredictable power. A story that continues to captivate and intrigue as we seek to understand the forces that shape our world. The remoteness of the Tunguska region amplified the event's mystery, making it one of the most enigmatic occurrences in modern history. This vast, untouched wilderness became the stage for an extraordinary event that would baffle scientists and historians for over a century. Sparsely populated, the region held few witnesses to the event's raw power. The isolation meant that those who did witness it were left to grapple with the sheer magnitude of what they had seen, often without immediate outside support or understanding. Their isolation turned them into the sole narrators of a cosmic mystery. Those who did experience it, however, told incredible tales. Their stories, passed down through generations, have become a vital part of the region's oral history. These accounts are not just stories, they are the living memory of an event that defies explanation. Indigenous Evenki reindeer herders described the searing heat that scorched the land and the sky. Their accounts are filled with vivid descriptions of the event's immediate impact. They spoke of a fireball that turned night into day, a phenomenon that seemed to come straight from the realm of legends. They spoke of the earth trembling beneath their feet. Homes were destroyed and the landscape was forever altered. The devastation was unlike anything they had ever experienced. It was as if the very fabric of their world had been torn apart. The blinding flash and intense heat were felt as far away as 100 kilometers from the epicenter. The shockwave flattened trees and caused widespread destruction. The sheer scale of the explosion was beyond comprehension, leaving a scar on the land that can still be seen today. One man, seated outside his home, was thrown from his chair by the blast. The force of the explosion was so powerful that it knocked him off his feet. It was a moment of sheer terror, a testament to the unimaginable power unleashed that day. He felt as if his shirt were on fire, a sensation that left him in shock and disbelief. The heat was so intense that it seemed to ignite the very air around him. The stories paint a vivid picture of the event's power. The sheer force and heat of the explosion left an indelible mark on those who witnessed it. These vivid recollections are more than just memories. They are the echoes of a cataclysm that still reverberates through time. These eyewitness accounts serve as crucial pieces in the Tunguska puzzle. They help us understand the magnitude of the event and its lasting impact on the region and its people. Each story is a fragment of a larger narrative, a key to unlocking the secrets of one of history's greatest mysteries. The first scientific expedition to the enigmatic Tunguska site didn't take place until the year 1921, more than a decade after the explosion. Led by the resolute Soviet scientist Leonid Kulik, the team embarked on a grueling journey through the dense and unforgiving Siberian taiga, battling extreme conditions and treacherous terrain. What they discovered upon arrival left them in utter astonishment and disbelief. A vast expanse of flattened trees radiating outward from a central point greeted their eyes. No crater, no significant debris, just sheer devastation as far as the eye could see. The absence of an impact crater only deepened the enigma, leaving scientists both puzzled and intrigued by the mysterious event. Kulik's team proposed a groundbreaking theory. A meteor had exploded in the atmosphere, causing the widespread devastation without leaving a traditional impact crater. Subsequent expeditions over the decades unearthed microscopic silicate and magnetite spheres embedded in the soil, hinting at an extraterrestrial origin. These particles, rich in nickel, a common element in meteorites, provided compelling evidence supporting the Airburst theory, adding another crucial piece to the ever-evolving puzzle of the Tunguska mystery. The most widely accepted theory is that a meteor exploded in the atmosphere, unleashing a cataclysmic force. This airburst, occurring at an altitude of 5 to 10 kilometers, would have generated immense heat and a powerful shockwave, explaining the observed destruction in the Tunguska region, flattening trees over an area of 2,000 square kilometers. Yet, the lack of a crater and large meteorite fragments keeps other theories alive, as the absence of physical evidence leaves room for alternative explanations, fueling the mystery. Some scientists propose a cometary impact as a plausible scenario, suggesting that a comet composed of ice and dust could have been the culprit. Comets, composed primarily of ice and dust, could have disintegrated completely upon entering the atmosphere, leaving little to no trace behind, which aligns with the lack of physical remnants, adding another layer to the enigma. Others suggest more exotic explanations, such as an antimatter collision or even a miniature black hole passing through Earth, which would have caused significant energy release without leaving conventional evidence, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. While these unconventional theories are intriguing and spark the imagination, they currently lack strong scientific evidence to support them, remaining in the realm of speculation. The Tunguska event, often described as a scientific whodunit, continues to inspire debate and speculation among researchers and enthusiasts alike a century after it occurred. It serves as a stark reminder of the vastness of our universe and the countless mysteries it holds, urging us to keep exploring and questioning the unknown as we strive to uncover the secrets of our cosmos.